Hello everybody, welcome to this short video. This video I want to introduce a Codelab design developed by Google, whereby you can get started for free without spending any money. Get started doing programming for free. Like for example, you got so many Flutter project here. They say add Google Map to Flutter app. So better one is I say adding Firebase. Like there are some other if you want to get started with Flutter, there are some introduction to Flutter here, so you can you can get your hand dirty. From there you move very fast. Yeah, adorable workflow Codelab case, and another one again. Let me find like okay, I spoke okay like Flutter. Okay, building a Cupertino app with Flutter. Another one again, building a beautiful transition with material motion for Flutter. And there is also Flutter begin. You can get your hand started dirty without any pennies. So let me browse. Let me see Firebase for Flutter. Flutter is a mobile app SDK for developing high fidelity app for iOS and Android. I wish we could have another operating system. Yeah, get to know Firebase for Flutter, so you can get this one started. Another one, how to write a Flutter plugin, how to test a Flutter app. So yeah, let me see this one. Intro to Dark for Java developer. There is also yeah, we'll get the MDC 102 Flutter material structure and layout. So let's MDC Flutter structure determine with color, shape, elevation, and type. So we have another one here, material advanced component, and then we have there are so many here. So let us try to, if we can find Flutter for beginner, and I'm sure we must have or have already passed. Let me begin to scroll down slowly. Yes, using plugin with Flutter web app. We have okay, write your first Flutter write your first Flutter app part 2. It means we have already passed part 1. Okay, yeah, write your first Flutter app part 1, 36 minutes. Okay, and then write a Flutter desktop application for the something minute. So you can get started. Part 1, introduction to Flutter. So what you will learn in part 1, how to write a Flutter app that look natural on iOS, Android, and the web. So in part 2 of the collab, if we click next, you can see let's say set up your Flutter environment. You need 2 pieces of software to complete the lab, the Flutter SDK and the editor. So the editor, you may decide the Android emulator. Okay, if you want to complete your app to run on the web, you must enable this feature. To run on the web, you must enable all these feature channel beta, feature upgrade, and Flutter configure enable web. So we move to the second one. You must have installed Android Studio. And then from here they say create the start Flutter app, create simple template Flutter. So these are all the codes. Your voice made run app. These are the introduction, observation, so those things are here. You can follow. It is strictly everything is everything is fine. Create an infinite scroll list view. So these are the infinite scroll list view. Infinite, you just scroll down and down and down. So you see, congratulations, you have already finished the app. Dismiss. So you can get started with this resource for free. So guys, do not forget to check out this site. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.